2012 Veloster. The Veloster's innovative body style and unique design make it unlike any other small car out there. Pair that with the fuel efficiency that pushes the 40 miles per gallon barrier, and you've got one sweet ride, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, navigation system, premium wheels, anti-lock braking system, traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, front, power steering, keyless entry. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.